Hey guys, this is Liesl from Amalyze and welcome to our tutorial about our Entities tool. Some of you may not have heard about entities, so let me explain what it is, how it works, and why it's crucial for your Amazon listing. An entity is a group of properties belonging to the same type of attributes. Here's an example. Green, blue, red, and white are all properties which are part of the entity colors. Stainless, metal, plastic, and granite are properties which are part of the entity materials, and bathroom, living room, and hallway are part of the entity location. So let's say you're selling LED strips. Wouldn't it make sense for your listing strategy to know what colors your buyers are looking for? Do they expect any important properties like fluorescent or dimmable? Are any features like backlighting, snow resistance, or letter lights important to them? Which voltages or sizes are they looking for? Are they more interested in 100 watt or 2 feet? Well, that's exactly where our Entities tool can help. We consider all related search terms for your main keyword, which are used by real customers, and we split them into single words and group all those words into several entities like colors, patterns, styles, and designs, features, specialties, and functionality, or sizes, age, and units of measurement. This way, you can easily find out which properties or attributes are the most important ones for your customers. So let's take a look. First, click on the Entities widget on your dashboard, or you can also click on Keywords in your menu and select Entities. After opening the Entities tool, you can choose your marketplace. Just click on the marketplace filter and choose one of the 6 marketplaces. In this example, we'll be using the US marketplace. Next to the marketplace filter, you can type in the words you want to get results for. For this one, we're looking at the entities of the words LED strip. Let's say you're selling an LED strip light and you'd like to see what color or pattern is important to the end customer, or what size or unit is important to them. Or if you'd like to know if it's profitable to sell the LED strip lights in specific sets or packs. To find out, just type in LED strip and click submit. Now the tool will search for all keywords which contain the 2 words LED and strip. As you can see, the tool has split these words into separate words and has grouped them into all of these entities. Now the Entities tool will show you what kind of LED strips you should be selling. You should sell the ones with blue lights, green lights, or the multicolored lights, and maybe some with rainbow colors. If you look at the Sets and Packs entity, you can also see you should be selling packs with 10 pieces or 2 pieces, or a kit of 300. Additionally, you can find out in the sizes, ages, and units of measurement entity what sizes you should be selling. Here you can see you should be selling LED strips with a length of 1.5 meters or 100 feet. We can also see what specific features are important to the end customer. Here you can see the word app. That's an indicator that your LED strip light should be controllable by the customer through an app. By looking at the Features, Specialty, and Functionality entity, you'll get an idea what features most consumers expect to see in a product. You can also adjust your search by including or excluding some words from your results. So let's say you'd like to include the word lights. The word lights can be found in the Features entity. You can include this word in your search by clicking on the plus button, or you can exclude it by clicking the X button. Let's click on the plus button to include this word in our search. As you can see, this word is now also appearing in the filter. There are also some crossed out words which appear in a lighter color. This means these words are not connected to the 3 keywords you used in your filter. In our first search, we only used the words LED and strip, and the word pair was connected to our keywords. But if we also include the word lights, it appears crossed out and lighter in color since it's no longer connected with our newly included keyword. You can also use this feature to see if the customer is using a specific word. For example, if there are any other words influencing their search behavior for your products. You can also perform some actions with these results. Let's say you'd like all of these results to be on a keyword list, or you want to add them to a keyword monitoring project. Just click on the More Actions button, and then you can add them to a new keyword monitoring project. You can also perform these actions for only one group of words. Let's only include the words of the features, specialty, and functionality entity to a keyword list. To do so, just click on the More Actions button for this group, Add to List, and then you can add them to one of your keyword lists. And that's how to use our Entities tool. If you'd like to find out if you should add specific features or functions to your product, or if you'd like to see if customers are searching for sets, packs, sizes, styles, or some of the other features, just use our Entities tool to discover exactly what your customers will be expecting from your product. I hope you enjoyed this video, and as always, happy analyzing.